Take one more inhale. Exhale, fold. Uttanasana. Lengthen halfway up. Exhale, step or float, chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Exhale, push back, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot high to the sky. Open the hip up. Deep inhale. Really feel that you're trying to push your right hand just as much as your left hand in the mat. You might even come up to your right fingertips and continue to reach the right foot further over to the left. You might even pull your left shoulder blade into the socket, and if you're there, you might rotate onto the outside edge of your right foot, might come down. Wild thing. See if you might be able to press the outside edge of your left foot down, lifting your hips up, opening your heart, maybe gazing up to the ceiling or toward the top of your mat. Come up on that right tippy toe. Can you lift your right toe? Can you step that right foot to the top of your mat? Take a moment, both hands down. Release the head. Inhale, roll up vertebra by vertebra. As you roll up, can you open that heart? As you exhale, can you reach it forward? And then can you inhale, open up? Let's take that a few times. Last one. And then inhale, rise, crescent lunge, straighten that right leg, full pyramid pose. Feel that right hip drawing back. You might even roll onto the heel of your right foot as you're pushing the right heel down and pulling it back.